Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. So, we're gonna start today's stream. Let me turn on some music on the background. So, hello Bob. Hello Bob. Okay. Tonight we're gonna talk about, like as usual, about like cryptocurrency, like stock market, and like forex market as well. I'm gonna like start with cryptocurrency. I want to show you like few things. I hope you will find it useful. So first of all, we're gonna like talk about BTC. What happened on the last stream? We've been talking about it. That BTC like might stuck in this range as I showed, but as you can see, went up higher and it had like a shakeout. What I can expect for the next few days, like few weeks, we're gonna like stuck in this range, this specific range, for quite some time. I hope so. We have like two options here. We're going up or down, right? But the thing is, if we watch on USDT on the daily, we're gonna like look at high time frames. We just like took major liquidity from all these lows, and we're like in this like weekly order block. It means more likely we will bounce till this area, which is will be crucial for BTC, and BTC might drop till like 30k or 32k. We're gonna test it and keep going lower. This is the first scenario that we expect. Second scenario, we will continue falling and just going down. And this was just like we stuck here like for like a bit and keep going like down. This has happened like in 2021. I can just check it. Yeah, as you can see, we have this massive like fair value gap. We just tested it, we just bounced a bit, and we kept going like lower, and again and again. The thing is, if scenarios this happen, so as you can understand, 32k like for BTC, which is like this area, right? This one. It's like almost 11%. Altcoins like will follow, and they will follow hard. So I would be like very careful like with alts right now. Also, another scenario that we can see, we can go like higher parabolic, so like this, and keep going like further. We just like stuck like for a while. We also approve like some ATF from BTC, and it will go higher like till 48k to take these highs, this one, and going like further. If we're going on the weekly, you can see we still have like some zones here, but I don't think so, because you can see that BTC always been tested like some major zones, such as like this fair value gap, this one, and I expect this like to go lower. When, I have no idea. I have to look on the market closely. So for now, BTC like stuck in this area. If it keep going like staying here, all money that goes like to Bitcoin will move to altcoin. If we're gonna move to altcoin, as you can see, it will still go high like 10, 11%. I have like whole like list of it. So like a bunch of like BNT like 24%, 13%, gas going up and down. So right, like OD. What the fuck is like 3 OD? We also wanted to long it. I wanna show you like one setup, but it was at night and we didn't catch it. But in general, like this setup like works all the time. So we can see it on the shorts that I made on our YouTube channel. So deviation, test, like of something, fair value gap or like order block, it doesn't matter. Like some like test here. Oh yeah, you see it on 4 hours. And then pump. With this like setup, it has like 90% win rate, so you can just set limit here, and target will be top of this like range, and it's like 1 to 2, 1 to 3, like always. So thank you. Like such words like from you and other people keep inspiring like me, like in our team, to keep doing this work, because you have no idea like how much time like we spend. You have no idea. So just try to look like for something like this. Let me see. Also, watch this. Another trade that we're looking at, it's S&P. Let me show you like why it's so cool. Because all of this consolidation. It's not distribution, it's consolidation. It's a huge range. And with this huge range, as you can see, all like volume like in the center. So more likely, like even like on a huge drop that happened on Thursday, like this candle. Remember like when all the crypto shaked out like 20-30%. It went down to only 5% and was bought like right away. So it means someone have limit orders around this area, and they've been buying everything that the people selling. How to, for example, catch it? You have a few options. You can set like some limit orders, but I want to show you one stuff. I hope I can like I hope I can find it and show you. Let me see. One second. Yeah, let me change language. No, so for example, yeah, so this is like by bit. Link for it if you don't have it. It's really cool if you can if you just can use like our link for it. So let me show you. It's just some positions I've been playing with. Okay, so now what we're doing, like we're going like tools, we go into features grid, and now what we're gonna do, for example, we select SFP, right? SFP. I already have some test positions here, but I want to show you this, how it works. So we have to identify range first of all. You can identify range with like line. It will help you like more, right? In this case, it's like this. This one. So what you can do here, leverage about like 3, and what you're doing, price range from lowest 67. So what this boss does, everything that will drop like below this yellow line, or this one, will be bought right away. So like what about like Luna? Okay, I will do like some review on Luna. So everything will be bought like right here, like automatically, without your concern, without like your help. Like you don't need to sit in front of PC, and then will be sold in like same amount that same amount it's been bought. So for example, every step is like 20.23%, and for example, it was bought here, 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 and it will keep like selling again and again and again. It will sell like some part, and you can set advanced settings. So for example, take profit. Your main active profit will be 0.75, and 0.64 it's gonna be like your stop. So all positions will be closed, like right here, if it go below this level, and it will keep like buying right here, even like lower off your range. So everything like half of the positions that this is what will keep to sell on your take profit area, which is like here, will close automatically without your help. So it's like very useful like tool. Like for me, yeah, I open like my position because this range is like really good. I'm just keep testing it. I'll open like my position here. So all this way down, I've been buying with like 0.25% step. I better use like 0.5%. I've been buying like all the way down. So my average right now like around here. So if we're going like higher, I will be like break even, and all what I bought on this area, like above this line, it will it will be profit. I'm testing it. I will let you know like in Discord. By the way, don't forget to like the stream and set notification on. Also join our Discord community. We have we also have Telegram group now, so if you don't like Discord as a way to get notifications, you can easily join us on like Telegram as well. It's like way we don't communicate that much because like most of the people in Discord, but if you want easiest way, because Discord sometimes like you have like a lot of group and it's hard to set notifications on, etc, etc. So something like this. So here you like set like investments. So I like set like $10 like just to check it. And as you can see, I have like 25 grids here. 25. So my delta is about like 0.4-0.5%, which is like better. But you can set up like anything you like. The most important part to identify, you want to identify the good start to trade. It should be like not volatile, like good range, and slow, like it should like slow go down or like slowly go up if you're shorting. So it depends on like moment. So it's kind of a useful thing. Okay, 1 second. So like for example, Shiba is the best example how to do so. SFP, like you see, like it's just like for trading in the range, because in range you can trade only deviations, right? But when you like inside the range, like SFP for example, right? You like can, because it will going up and down all the time. This kind of tool like is very useful. For example, I open my bot here and keep buying like all the way down, and I have like big position like right here. So, and it's like setting up like this. So 10%, 20%, like 30%, it's like 50, right? It's here like a 50%, and my average will be there. It's like something like this. Now, as I said, try to like look for setups like this. For example, one more good setup was on ARC today, yeah, but we didn't catch it. I catch it on my personal account, but we didn't alert it. Yeah, this was set up on the ARC today. 1 to 3. It's gonna be like always like this. VGX, like we alerted it. Take. It was entry. Our entry was like 1 to 4, around here. It was our entry, and as you can see, 18% easily. Then you can just open like short trade right from here and go like down. But I wouldn't short like this market for now. So try to like look for setups like this. Oh, for example, here the setup is really good. Let me see. Yeah, we just had deviation here, so more likely we will keep going up. Like this is setup like for you guys. 6% stop and take 1 to 2. Yeah, 1 to 2. Why not? Okay, 1 second. So let me post it on Discord. In chat. This one. This is all this kind of stuff like you can trade easily. You can trade ton also on Bybit as well. Let me see. Okay, so about Luna. Let me see. So Luna, yeah, same shit. So let me check. So we can identify it. This one. So we had deviation, as you can see. We can just set it as this one. Maybe 30 minutes. Yeah, on 30 minutes it looks like better. We had deviation, and it will keep going up. Let me adjust it a bit. Yeah, this is like better. Sometimes it's better to use just like candle's body. Also, as this is Luna, by the way, so right now I wouldn't enter any position. I would wait to ask it to go like down, or when we like break out it. So because it might stuck here for a while, for like consolidating like this, to till this zone, and then it will go up. Again, you have to like look at it. Okay, so what we can do else? Also look at like UEFI. If we posted this trade, like, let me see, yeah, this one. It's just like clean breakout on like 2-hour chart, and it was target 1.4k, and which like been posting like our gain. It's about 100%. It's like 10% pump already. Same was with VGX, etc, etc. One more trade that we're currently in. Where is this? Let me find it. Ah, fuck. Yeah, we're currently in. Like, same setup. It will go like all the way up to take the existing liquidity to the zone. We're almost like 1-to-1 on this trade. Okay, so I don't need it. Okay. No. Let's talk about DXI. Always we go like to like top to bottom. On weekly, like picture is kind of good, but we had deviation. But this is on the weekly, so we just took into standard liquidity, tested this like monthly fair value gap, etc. Right now, what I don't like this liquidity bill. I don't like it. I'm going like this. Because if we look at it on daily time frame, we can just keep going up, test this fair value gap, and then going down, right? And going down to equilibrium of this range. This range, and there was a huge deviation where like a lot of people lost their like money, like their like prop firm accounts, etc. Because like last 2-3 weeks on the year it was like rough. Actually, like last month. The problem is like we've been like testing this like area for a while, and we have like low after low, which is like not buena in my opinion. But we have to look on the market open, because if we fail and go like up above this area, more likely we keep going like up higher, and indexes and all currencies like such as Euro USD, GBP USD, etc, will going down. If not, it will be okay. We just keep going like down for tests, etc, and I hope we will see like clean price actions that we seen. Hello Enrique, hello. That we've seen in July. I just want to show you this June, July. You see how clean this is. So we came to this area, like we tested, double top, and we were going down, and then it was pain. all the way up in August till like now. We have like shit price action, so it's very hard to trade this way. Like, look at this. It was like 2022. Look at this. How clean this is. This is like very clean. But as you can see, we have like exactly the same picture in 2022 when we been going like exactly the same. Like look at this. I just want to show you. We've been going the same, and we went like down. Exactly the same like price action. So I have to look at it next like 1-2 weeks and see how it goes, because Dixie loves like kind of like a weird price action, and especially when it's like turning around. So we can easily just go down here. But again, if we're going like above this zone, I'm bearish on all the currencies. If we break, let me see, on Forex it's like more bearish if we don't look at the left side. We can just go like down like from here right away, because we have like liquidity already. We have like 1, 2, 3 and 3 highs. So yeah, okay. Now let's look at here. Always start like with the weekly time frame. It's like I've been playing with structure. We took like major external liquidity, which is like this one, and we have like uptrend until at least like till this area. But by looking at Dixie, we can even gonna go higher. We'll see, because we have like uptrend on the weekly, and we already tested like all areas. So we have to look further on a daily time frame. Let me remove it. On a daily time frame, it just looks like a normal reaction when we slowly going down, maybe to test like this area, but again, it's not important. So because we have this candle or like bar, like better to look at the bar because it's more like vertical spread analysis, and we're slowly going down. So this like bar, it was a bar that broke this break here, like mitigation block and all this kind of shit. So this is like very important important candle or bar, like it depends like what you're using. And if we go like below this area, so more likely we will go down. If we will stuck, if we will stay here, so we can keep going down, or we'll keep like going like up, because as you can see, it looks like just a normal reaction when we have huge volumes that breaking like all levels and then slowly going down till the bottom of this candle or bar that dons this like breakout. It's like more vertical spread analysis. Hello Natalia, hello. I hope you're doing well. Okay, so on British pounds, it's like exactly the same picture, more clearly, to be honest. It's like more clear. We have a huge amount of like liquidity, and we've been already testing like everything here. I want to see if our market will open on Monday, because I don't think we're gonna go like lower if we fail this level that I showed like Yeah. So we have a copy trading account. Click like link for our Discord channel. Oh fuck. Where is this? On our Discord channel. Right. Our Discord channel, join to it. Then you can select like trade alerts and copy trading, and we have like everything you want here. Past months we made almost like 10%. It was 9.2% if I'm not mistaken. Right now we negative 3% or something like this, but we have like two positions that will bring us almost like 5 or like 6%, which is like waiting, such as SFP and other kind of stuff. So yeah. As I said, like on a daily, we have like this candle, which is like took liquidity. We can just like test like this fair value gap on a daily. It's like on a weekly, yeah, on a daily. We might test it, and we'll keep it like going lower. We also take a previous daily level, which is gonna be like extremely bullish and something like this. Again, if we fail this level, we'll go lower. But again, you have to look at DXI. So right now we have like uptrend. Let me show you. Uptrend, right? So this broke it, tested, done. On the data, as you can see, we broke it, but it could have been just like test. It also can be like fake break of market structure, or it can be consolidation for like next move, and we just like stuck in the range like for like a bit here. It's like hard to say because it's a weekly. Yeah. It could have been just like taking internal liquidity, which happened. We took all like internal liquidity right here, and we don't have like any zones like to test like lower. Only this fair value gap on the weekly. But if we're going like there, it's gonna be painful for everyone. So it's gonna be like a break of like global structure, and more likely we'll keep going like down. So I want us to go like far higher, and Dixie is kind of like bearish in my opinion. I'll do the same. So trade on like this one. It was like our trade on like Canadian dollar. We just like move like stop a bit early. We should like just keep our stop below this low. Yes. Because I wanted to, because on easy candle we already tested this fair value gap. I didn't expect us to go to test this order block on 3 hours, on 3 days, and as you can see it happened, and we also closed extremely like bearish. It's like USD Canadian dollars like bearish, on Canadian USD it's like bullish. So like more likely we'll go like up further to take all this liquidity and test this fair value gap. So if you want like some trade, there you go. You can set your stop like here, it will be like super safe, or you can play like this. Let me link it to the group as well. What else? Yeah, that's it. About like Nasdaq. Again, this is like one of the mistakes that you shouldn't do. It's just like forget about like high time frame analysis. We've been talking about like this fair value gap for a long time, and then it will be tested. As you can see, I've been talking about like in our videos about it. I've been talking about on the stream every fucking time. You find an equilibrium of this fair value gap, which is like 0.5 zone. It's 14.055, low 14.054.4. So you should understand like how the fucking accurate this is. You can just like set like limit order here with stop under this fair value gap. So stop 1% and take to at least like 0.5%, 1 to 5 trade right away, or like this previous monthly high, 1 to 9. Unfortunately, I didn't take this trade on my prop firm account because I fucked up and didn't buy like swap free, and hold like long position would have cost me about like $270 per lot, which is quite a lot. So I didn't take it, but it was like obvious. We had play on AMD that we've been trying to short it, and we did successfully. Like I took like my profit right here, and same on Nvidia. I just closed my profit. I closed my trade on Nvidia to take the profit because it was like 1 to 2. I have a rule: if by the end of the day I have like open positions like 1 to 2 risk reward, I'm just like closing it, and I just don't hold position longer. 1 second. Okay, sorry. My son just woke up. And you have to like have such kind of rules because it's like very important to like keep my profit. I took like this trade. I got almost like 1% on it. AMD, I just like set my stop at like break even. So I had like this trade. I had this one. Because I closed like one trade, I wanted it to like call because this was my target, but I didn't close it, so it was my mistake. I lost like 1% profit, but at least I didn't lose like any money on this trade. So right now what we expect is if we go on a weekly, we just like broke major trend line, and first target can be this one and this one. But what I don't like, if we go on the weekly, we have this fair value gap, and as you can see, index has been always like testing these gaps. So what we will see next week, I have no idea, and I won't like watch it because I'm bearish, because we have to test it all the time. It's been going up, it's been testing like everything. You can just look at the chart all the way back. In my case it's like 2016, but you can find like another broker and it will show you like all information you need. It's always been testing these gaps. So, and also we have previous weekly low here, right? So it's a previous weekly low, and this previous weekly high. We might just like go like down to test this gap. And then keep going higher, because if you also like look at the classic technical analysis, we just broke this major like trend line, and what we after like breakout, we need to test it. But I don't like volume on this breakout because it's like low volume, and yeah, it's like low volume breakout. I don't like it. It's not that clean that I want to see. But if it's like talking about like classic TA, we still don't have test, and we have these like gaps that has to be tested, because all like daily favorable gaps been tested. Every favorable gap been tested. Every. So we'll see. We'll see. It can be like a trap where we will go up, take this previous weekly high and go like lower. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will be happy to answer on them, but for now, that's it. I'll wait like 1 more minute and we can end the stream. Also, I want to show you like few coins that you can trade this week. LDO, this one has been consolidating and it's about to do breakout right here. Like this. As you can see, it's been like this. Yeah, this one. Let's look better. The candles bodies, and it's like closer to like trend line. Also, like one more trade and coins. It's very technical. It's like cake. We also have like small range here. Fuck. Like this. So as you can see, slowly going down. More likely we'll test like this area, this fair value gap, and we'll go up. So this is like one trade, another trade that you can look at. And just set like alarm here and just wait. Something like this. Okay guys, thank you for watching and have a nice week. See you, bye.